The strong brand of Turkish defense industry, ASFAT. We combine the expertise of 27 military factories and 10 shipyards with innovative defense industry solutions to reach the world. With successfully completed projects in friendly and allied nations, we have proven and continue to prove the strength of our defense industry on a global scale. From frigates to corvettes, land vehicles to mine-clearing systems, precision-guided kits to ballistic protective equipment, we serve our friends and allies with a wide range of products. With the assurance of the Ministry of National Defense, cutting-edge technology, swift decision-making capabilities, and a professional team, we will continue to make a difference in defense industry projects and bring Turkey's strength to the world.